now we'll go for the one example. Okay, that is using the section formula we have to solve now. Okay, find the coordinates of the point which divides a line segment. This is the line segment points 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1. That is internally clearly given question. Internal means the point is inside of the line segment AB. Okay, in inner point. Okay, the point we don't know, that I am assuming P x comma y. Other line segment points, end of the points given, that is what is A is 4 comma minus 3 and B is what is 8 comma 5. In the ratio also given, what is the ratio? 3 is to 1. This is 3 and this is 1. That is M and this is N. Clear? Now 4 comma minus 3, what is here? X1 comma Y1. Here X2, B is X2 Y2. Okay. Now apply the formula. First I'll write the formula. What is the X comma Y? Just now we learned it. X comma Y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, because it is internal. Next m by 2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Okay. Internal point. The point is, it's not inside, it is internal. P x comma y is between A and B. Clear? X y we have to find. We know all the values, just applying this. mx2, what is m value? 3. 3 into x2, here x2 is 8 plus n is 1, x1 value is 4 by what is m plus n? 3 plus 1. That is the first one. Second coordinate m by 2, m is 3, y2 value is 5 plus n value is 1, y1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n, again same, that is 3 plus 1. That is second coordinate. Now simplify. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 4s are 4. Denominator 3 plus 1 4 comma 3 5s are 15. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 3 plus 1, what is answer? 4 again. Add it, 24 plus 4, 28 by 4, and second coordinate 15 minus 3, that is 12 by 4. Cancel. 4 ones, 4 sevens. 4 ones, 4 threes. What is remaining? 7 comma 3. What is here? X comma y. Then what is the point we got now? Find the coordinates of the point. The internal point, not inside, it is internal point, is what is here? 7 comma 3. What is the ratio? 3 is to 1. The 7 comma 3 is dividing AB in the ratio 3 is to 1. That is the answer. Finally, therefore, the point is 7 comma 3, the required point. Students, we will go for one more example. In before question we got the coordinates, how to find. In this we have to find the ratio, means m and values we have to find. The question is, in what ratio? In what ratio? Minus 4 comma 6 divide, minus 4 comma 6 divide the line segment A minus 6 comma 10 and B 3 comma minus 8. In what ratio? That means we have to find m is to n value. M is to n. We have to find both the values using the same section formula. Okay. Just I will show the rough figure here. A is given minus 6 comma 10 and B is 3 comma minus 8. The point is somewhere here, that you can take as P, or given point directly minus 4 comma 6. The ratio is what is here? M is to n. We have to find m n values clearly. What is given first? X comma y. Here x1 y1 given. Here x2, y2 given. In this one option we have, if you take only x coordinate or y coordinate, we will get the eigenvalues. Okay. In this problem, I will show both, but you have to do only one. I'll go for only x coordinate. What is x coordinate in section formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Even second formula also I told you, that is kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1. If you use that also you will get it. Okay, that is up to you, anyone can use. X is equal to, x value what is here? Minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to mx2. M value we don't know, same apply. X2 3. Next plus nx1, n is same. X1 value, it's a minus. X1 value, sorry, minus 6. By denominator is no change, m plus n. Clear? Cross multiply, minus 4 into this whole term, that's a minus 4m, and minus 4 into n, that is minus 4m, is equal to, right side 3 into m, 3m. Next minus 6 into n, minus 6n. One side m and n, one side minus 4m minus 3m. Here minus 6n, no change. Minus 4n transpose right side, it is plus 4n. Minus 4 and minus 3n. What is answer? It's a minus, sorry, m. That is minus 7n. Right side 4n minus 6n. 4n minus 6n. What is answer? It is minus 2n. Minus cancel, then m by n. Transpose, right? N is this side and 7 goes. It is goes to denominator here also. M by n is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, the ratio is what is here? 2 is to 7. The ratio is what is here? 2 is to 7. Okay? Done. Completed. In what ratio means the dividing minus 4 comma 6 divides in the ratio. What ratio? 2 is to 7. Now, it's not required, but for one sum I will explain that. Next, if you got any sum between, then no need to do. Only one x coordinate or y coordinate you can take and solve it. We have to find the ratio. Then y coordinates also I will take here. Y is equal to, what is the formula? Section formula, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Y value what is here? 6. 6 is equal to, m is no change and y2 is minus 8 plus n is no change, y1 it's a 10 by m plus n. Cross multiply again here, 6m plus 6m is equal to minus 8 into m, it's minus 8m. Next 10 into n, 10n. One side the variables, 6m minus 8m. 6m minus 8m is equal to, what is again here? 10n minus 6n. 6m minus, sorry, here minus 8m. Minus 8m, if you take left side, will become plus. Okay? Here, just minus missing. Minus 8 into m minus 8m. If you transpose left side, 6m plus 8m is equal to 10n, no change. 6n transpose right side again. 10n minus 6m. 6 plus 8, it's a 14m. Next, 10n minus 6n, it is 4m. Now again, transpose this side and this side, m by n. Okay, the n comes down to that m by n. The 14 goes down again, 4 by 14. Then what is answer now? Otherwise, divide both the sides with 14 also you can do, or 14m also you can do. But just cross multiplication we are doing. M by n is equal to 4 by 14. Here 2 2s are 2 7s. M by n is equal to what we got? 2 by 7. What is the ratio here? 2 by 7. Same ratio. Therefore, sir, 2 is to 7. That's why anyone you can apply this x coordinate or y coordinate. That what is in what ratio? In what ratio? What is the ratio? 2 is to 7 that. Minus 4 comma 6 dividing the line segment A minus 6 comma 10 and B 3 comma minus 8.